Hello everyone, sending greetings from USA. First, I salute to Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, founder of homeopathy, and I thank universe for giving everyone the great opportunity of integrating homeopaths around the globe. Today, I will be sharing my thoughts on how we together can make homeopathy as number one medicine in the world. It is only bird's view. Number one, I believe that when we have strong leadership skills, then we can make homeopathy number one medicine in the world. By integrating practitioners globally to provide awareness, protect, and promote homeopathy. One idea can change your life, as Swami Vivekananda said, and change is law of universe. To see change, you need to make change, and you be the change. You be the leader and make everyone leader. Second point would be belief and passion for homeopathy, which needs to be considered as homeopathy is scientific, dynamic, and evidence-based system of medicine. Paradigm shift from materialistic to holistic. And I would quote Albert Einstein, everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy, this is physics. And we need to educate public about efficacy of homeopathy, which is an art and holistic method of healing. And it addresses root, the basic cause of sickness. It works based on nature's principle, similia similibus curantur. Law of similars, like cures like. And homeopathy remedies are all diluted, highly diluted, energetic. I'm not going in depth of history and evolution of homeopathy here. What I'm going to say is documentation, data collection, homeopathic proving, Germishire, and many other homeopaths around the globe are doing great proving of several new remedies we have come up today. And clinical and research studies, publications in peer-reviewed journals, all these are needed. We all know efficacy of homeopathy in acute, chronic, and deep pathological conditions and emergency situations. How it works, miracles. Not only humans but also in animals and plants, agro-homeopathy, veterinary homeopathy, and homeopathy is very effective. Homeopathic remedies are thoroughly proved on healthy human beings. They provide deep healing at all levels, physical, mental, emotional situations. Remedies are given that are unique to the individual by matching with the person's internal state with most similar homeopathic remedy in minute dose. All this needs to be educated to the public. And I quote Mahatma Gandhi's homeopathy gives a larger percentage of cases than any other form of treatment and is beyond doubt safer and more economical. The third point would is legal status and code of professional ethics. I'm a homeopath currently residing in USA, so the legal practice here is different from India and other countries. Health freedom laws for individual patients and their right to choose their healthcare treatment. And it includes integrative health alternatives and for legislative changes to protect our rights to make healthcare decisions consistent with our beliefs and values. Homeopathy as complement and integrative medicine must be included in health insurance sectors for reimbursement, FSA, flexible savings account, HSA, health savings account are all covered to some extent. Of big pharma is very effective. According to the National Institute of Health, over 6 million people in the United States use homeopathy. Homeopathy is under threat here, and Americans for Homeopathy Choice have raised petitions to protect homeopathy. Then other point is protecting practitioner with professional liability insurance. Number 4, educational standard protocols and strategy planning. Educational standard protocols through Ministry of Ayush, Center for Council for Homeopathy Research and governing bodies and many more. And Council for Homeopathic Certification CHC here in USA, HINA, which stands for Assuring Educational Excellence within the Discipline of Classical Homeopathy. Liga Medicorum Internationalis (LMHI) Institute for Credentialing Excellence. NCCA National Commission for Certifying Agency accredited program like CHC, which equates homeopathy with other certified healthcare professionals in USA. And CHC certification confers a multidisciplinary credentials. All these needs to be undertaken. And the fifth point is advocacy. Though homeopathy is federally recognized medicine, backed by thousands of research studies, papers, and clinical trials, the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act classifies homeopathic medicines as drugs. Homeopathy is growing big time in recent years with hundreds of millions of dollars in annual sales. With the increase in popularity and sales, homeopathy has come under scrutiny, being aimed at labeling and claims on over-the-counter homeopathic products, as well as safety and effectiveness from the Food and Drug Administration and the Federal Trade Commission, both federal regulatory agencies. There are several homeopathic organizations like National Center for Homeopathy, Advocacy for Homeopathy Working Group, IHWG, Americans for Homeopathy Choice, American Association of Homeopathic Pharmacists, Integrative Health Consortium. They are all working very hard through Public Policy Committee, closely monitors congressional and regulatory activity on homeopathy-related issues to access potential effects and take action as needed. The goal is to ensure that homeopathy is accessible healthcare option to all. Number 6, making use of technology. Internet, social media, where you promote homeopathy and make network with like-minded people. Main thing, proper communication and good communication is needed to make it as number 1. And number 6, make study groups with like-minded people. Today, we have many forums and study groups. One among them is KHA Homeopathy Study Group platform, which inspire young homeopaths, integrate world-renowned homeopaths, and promote homeopathy and homeopathic organizations like CHC, North American Homeopathy of Society, HNA, Canadian Homeopathic Medical College, Academy of Homeopaths, Liga, etc. globally. And what we are doing is just a drop. Here is a quote from Mother Teresa. We ourselves feel that what we are doing is just a drop in the ocean, but the ocean would be less because of that missing drop. Number 8, develop your skills and talents. According to the aphorism 3 of Organ of Medicine, knowledge of disease, knowledge of medicines, and application of both is needed. Case taking is an art, and a case well taken is half cured. Use of softwares like Zoomio to name few, macrorepertory reference works, Vital Quest and Radar, etc. They help us in getting to the right remedy and proper prescription. Number 9, you be an inspiration, a role model. For that, you need self-improvement and personality development. Unless you're strong, confident, and with sound mind and body, you cannot make right decisions. Number 10, my best word is unity. When we are united, we grow. In this current pandemic crisis has brought everyone together. And long live homeopathy, long live Hahnemann.